event is a media gathering event just to discuss about the Asus brand, showcase our new technologies, the UX 9702, which is the ZenBook Fold, and then the ZenBook 14 OLED, which is a 12th generation Intel laptop.
What we always want customers to know is design, technology, and innovation. If you take, for example, this laptop, these are the screen pads here. This is also a screen that you can use. You have your application, you have your Excel that you can access, and you can also mirror your phone if you want to. Most of the awards that we receive are because of technology and innovation.
So the reason for the event was very necessary for us to have a meeting with the media, for them to familiarize themselves with the brand. Asus is trying to gain our market share in the country, so it was very important for us to talk to the people who are actually speaking with the end users and how we are trying to innovate with our products in Nigeria. So we have different range of laptops that we have discussed about today, and for Nigeria we have different ranges of laptops from the entry level to the high end, and also the different categories of the laptops as well. So we have a laptop for everyone. If you're a student, if you're an IT technician, if you're a creator, if you're a businessman, we have a laptop for everyone.